This is a Bosch Self Leveling transit. So when I turn it on, this right here will start to spin, but if you'll look at it, it also self levels itself. So if I take this right here and I turn it on, I can bring it up and down, and right there you'll see the line, okay? That's perfect. So that's letting us know that's level. So if I go all the way over here, this will tell me if my porch is level or not. And it may have just a little bit of a fall. So that right there is hitting maybe a 1/4 inch fall or so, which is cool. You want the water to run off. So what I did was I came out into my yard. If right here at 8, we're at 8, right? 8 inches. Yeah. So that's all I'm going. I'm not going to explain this pole. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to leave it like that. This tells me what? I'm about 8 or 10 inches below the porch, right? So nothing's going to go to the porch. Now my next concern is I brought the level up to the bottom of the porch, so that's going to be the same. So that tells me that I got fall. Do I have fall all the way to here? You're right in my line of sight here. So right here at the edge, I'm still 5 inches low, right? So that tells me all the water from there is going to run here, and then from here it's going to continue to run out in the yard.
Gotcha.
Correct? You follow me?
Yeah.
So over here, what I'm looking at is, it's right there at the top, you know, basically, that I got fall there. So from here, it's going to fall to here, and that water right there is still going to run off because I'm all the way right here at the top of the drains. Now these drains, I will dig them down, bring them all the way out. I got somebody coming to do that for me because I'm lazy. So we don't want to confuse anything with that. So as I went across the whole yard, I did the same thing. So I'm up 10 inches. This is our new mascot, Beffy. She's hanging out with us nowadays. Tomoki left with the divorce papers. Same thing here. We know everything's flowing away from the house. So we really got nothing to worry about.
So when it rained for the past couple of months, you did notice that it was
the water was flowing up. The gutters didn't have caps on them. So it was just all ponding right here.
Gotcha.
Which causes problems. So we need to address that problem. We can come all the way over here, and as long as we got sight, I mean, that's how high we are from where we're even. So we know that everything's going to fall off. I will come in and I'll go ahead and feather that out also and get a slope on that. I seeded and strawed this right here so that I could start getting some dirt or some grass on it so the dog can come out and go to the bathroom and I ain't got to worry about that, and just give them a little bit of room.